Hi guys, I'm Rhiannon and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing like a navy blue and gold little makeup tutorial. I thought it would be a nice and fun look. Before we get started, of course, subscribe down below to see more makeup tutorials like this or vlogs because I am in college, so you guys can see day in my life. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this fun little video and let's get started. I always start by priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. For foundation, I like to use a Morphe Full Coverage Foundation in the color F2.30 Matte. And I will apply it using my Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Studio Photogenic Concealer, that'll focus, in the color CW04. Next, I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm going to be using the shade Smoke Shadow from the Tartelette and Bloom palette to film it. Then going back to face, I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Powder. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face later, but we're going to go move back on the eyes. So first I'm going to prime them by using the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Insurance. Starting with a transition shade, I'm going to use the It's Judy Time palette by BH Cosmetics and use this light brown color. Next, I'm going to go in with this blue shade and put it in my crease. Next, I'm just gonna cut the crease a little with some concealer so that I have like a little base for the gold shade. For the gold shade, I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette and using the color Half Baked. Next, for the outer corner, I'm going to go in with the color Blackout in the Naked 2 palette. Then I'm going to apply the blue shade again to my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then line my upper lash line with the Mina 24-Hour Pen Eyeliner in black. I'm going to try to do a little wing. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in color 0. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara Waterproof. Eyes are all done, so now moving back onto the face, I'm going to start with bronzing my face using this Lancome Star Bronzer in 02 Solar. Then I'm gonna go in and deepen it up with the Ellen Tracy Bronzing Trio and using these 2 brown shades. Next, I'm going to be using the Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter, color Golden Kiss. Then for lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Velvet Teddy. It's just a nude pink color. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how it turned out. This wing is definitely better than this one, but you know what? We'll just keep practicing and get better at it. But it did turn out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you guys are too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!